Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Teacher Mommy, Mommy Teacher. Today we are going to discuss two-dimensional shapes and their attributes. Now, as you see on the chart, I have different two-dimensional shapes. For two-dimensional shapes, they mean flat shapes. So, for example, two-dimensional shape, flat shape. Now, we have our circle, square, triangle, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, trapezoid, parallelogram, and a rhombus or diamond. Now today we're going to talk about sides and vertices. Now, I have a triangle here. The triangle we talked about earlier, the sides. So, 1, 2, 3 sides. Now, the vertices are the points. Vertices, points. Or depending upon what grade you're in, for the little ones, I say the ouchies because they're pointed. So these are the vertices. Once again, we have our sides. And then we have our vertices or points. Now, let's look at two different shapes and compare them. We have our circle. We have our triangle. Which shape has 0 vertices? The points. Is it the circle or is it the triangle? If you said circle, you are correct. A circle does not have any points. Triangle, however, has 1, 2, 3 vertices. All right. So now let's look up at our chart. We have our circle with 1 side and 0 vertices, which we just discussed and saw an example of. 1 side and 0 vertices. Now, we're going to go through and discuss the rest of the shapes and their sides and vertices. But we're going to use these charts on this side. So let's look. We have our square. Say square, square. Now we're going to first count the sides on the square. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to count the points or the vertices on the square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Let's move on to the triangle. Let's count our sides on the triangle. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. Let's count our vertices on the triangle. 1, 2, 3. So our triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Let's go on to the rectangle. Do the sides first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. One of these shapes up here that we already did has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Who can tell me what that shape is called? Is it the circle, triangle, or the square? Yes, it's the square. 4 sides, 4 vertices. Rectangle, 4 sides, 4 vertices. Good job. We're going to move on to the pentagon. Let's count the sides for the pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices. And remember, penta means 5. Hexagon. Let's count the sides on the hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides, 6 vertices. Hexa means 6. Now we're going to move on to the rhombus and the diamond. You cannot see me. Let's go back over here. Rhombus. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 vertices. I know what you're about to say. Just like the square and just like the rectangle. Yes. And the last one, let's count the diamond sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a diamond has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Now, does anybody see a pattern with these shapes, all except for the circle? Who can tell me? Yes. All of these shapes, except for the circle, have the same amount of sides and the same amount of vertices. Now, today we discussed two-dimensional shapes and their attributes. Attributes are characteristics of the shapes, and our characteristics that we talked about today are the sides and the vertices. So I hope that you enjoyed this lesson on today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And once again, if you would like to purchase these charts, you can go to teachermommy.net and get the charts. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Thank you for tuning in to Teacher Mommy, Mommy Teacher. If you would like to purchase any of my educational resource books, storybooks, or devotionals, please shop Amazon under my name, Jacqueline Jobes. Or you can visit my website, teachermommy.net. That says teachermommy.net. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in to Teacher Mommy, Mommy Teacher. If you would like to purchase any of my educational resource books, storybooks, or devotionals, please shop Amazon under my name, Jacqueline Jobs. Or you can visit my website, teachermommy.net. That says teachermommy.net. Thank you.